up again. So when we fall down, we can stand up. When you're sitting on the ice, don't wiggle your feet around and kick them in the ice, okay? That can hurt somebody. So we just want to get up as fast as we can. Here's how we're going to do that. We're going to go onto our knees just like this, how I'm sitting. Everyone sitting on the knees.
Okay, so this is where we want to really try and let the kids do this by ourselves, guys.
Oh, video. They do a hair Alright, next thing we're going to do, boys and girls, is sit up nice and tall so that our bottoms are not touching our knees. Okay, we want to sit up nice and tall. Take your bum up tall. There you go. Everyone sitting up tall?
Rayon?
Alright, next thing we're going to do, take your favorite leg and put it out in front of you, just like this. Good, and put two hands on your knee. Excellent. Once you're sitting nice and still, you're not wiggling around anymore. You're going to count to 3 and push on your knee to stand up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push. And as soon as you stand up, arms go like airplane wings, and you bend your knees a little bit. Good. Boys and girls, when we're standing on the ice, it's really important that you keep your toes facing straight. If you let your toes